everybody needs to come out and do this. Arizona, maybe Utah, anything out, well, not anything out west, but get out and see the different parts of the United States. What's that?
I guess prepared to stop.
Be prepared to stop. I turned the camera off because we was just sitting, so hopefully we can make it past the flagger here. So we don't have to sit anymore. Big old bridge.
I was found here. You come around here. I was found here. You come around here.
If he would have hit one of those cones, I would have laughed.
I was found here. You come around here. I'm gonna take now. Never find now.
I have a feeling you're looking right through that windscreen. I can't really help that. I don't think the guy would appreciate me cutting it off that I rented the bike from.
Leading me higher. Leading me higher. Leading me higher.
Historic marker. Indian Jewelry by Direct.
You can never go back.
The Dairy Queen up here, Jared.
And you're still alive. Even if you've been misled and all of your dreams are dead.
beach.
Push yourself through without your regrets. Carry on. Even if you've been misled and all of your dreams are dead. Carry on. Even if you can't forget, take a quick look inside.
I don't see how you could get tired of living out here. I guess when it's 115 degrees out, it's kind of crappy.
Blood pouring down my heart. My mind is my cage, and I'm wrapped around the bars. Carry on. And even if you've been misled and all of your dreams are dead, carry on. Even if you can't forget, take a quick look and settle your regrets.
Every day I am looking for a way to return to the time when everything was easy to learn. Don't know when it started to get so serious. Building up an illusion of a world full of trust. Moving on when everything's gone. It's hard to be strong. Confusion in my mind. No way to turn back time. My soul in need of remedy. Don't even know the enemy. When I feel out of touch, can't seem to get enough. Hiding away from everyone. I don't know where I'm coming from. It feels like it never happened. Maybe just a dream. Could it be my imagination running out of steam? All I know is every time I see you, I feel like
Why, when you pull the clutch in, does your gear that you're in go away on these Harleys? That's weird. I don't know if you can see it, but clutch out. Clutch in. Goes away. Kind of strange.
know the enemy. When I feel out of touch, can't seem to get enough. Hiding away from everyone. I don't know where I'm coming from. I fail to see right in front of me. There's a way I know.
me on his phone.
Cause I've been running this world without you, with no help at all, one way to fall, living this nightmare all through. What's new? I'm making without you, with no help at all, one way to fall, living this nightmare all through. What's new? I'm making without you.
Cool, that was, even though we're behind a bunch of cars, which is fine with me. That was some nice little switchbacks and stuff.
Still in frustration, had to do it all to survive the nightfall. When you fight against the time and you're about to lose your mind, it's easy to cross the line. There's no answer as to why when you look death in the eye. Either you live or you die. You live or you die. You live or you die.
Looks like that's the end of the good parts of 89A, so I'm going to sign off for now, and we'll talk at you on the next road. Thanks. See ya.
You're killing me, you're killing me, you're killing me. Can't have enough.